The upcoming Galaxy Note 10 devices are one of the most anticipated Samsung phones in recent history. After facing hiccups with the Galaxy Fold, the company is now looking to get itself back in the game by bringing to the market the new Galaxy Note smartphone. The company will release two devices, the regular Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Both share plenty of specifications and features, but most infuriating of the lot is the joint absence of 3.5mm headphone jack. As far back in the last year, rumors claimed that Note 10 would be the first Samsung flagship to ditch the headphone jack. All substantial leaks and images of the Note 10 phones so have shown the device without headphone jack, and it's about time we all came to terms with it. The Note 10 isn't the first Samsung device to miss 3.5mm headphone jack. The Galaxy A8s that was released back in December has that honor, and the company has since followed it up with the other jackless devices. The new renders also reveals a wide punch hole bang on the top of the display, while also shows off hole for an IR blaster. While this won't be the first phone to bring IR blaster with it, having one integrated would mean that the smartphone would be able to control TVs and other devices. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 could feature 3D time-of-flight sensor, where the company already uses TV sensors on the Galaxy S10 5G and Galaxy A80. It is now being reported it will use the technology on all other Note 10 models. And interestingly, it may even use two such sensors to help users with bokeh shots and AR application and face recognition. The Galaxy Note 10 has been seen in past few weeks in multiple avatars, and ahead of its August 7 launch has been tipped to bring with it some impressive specs. Let's wait for more updates. Stay tuned if you're interested in tech related news. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.